Hello everyone. So this is a question from again matrices. The question is: consider a 3 cross 3 matrix P such that adjoint of P का determinant is 12 raised to 4. Then what is the value of P inverse into adjoint of A का determinant? ठीक है. तो पहले तो जो find करना उस पर फोकस करते हैं. We have to find what is the determinant of P inverse adjoint of P inverse into adjoint of P matrix. Now we know for any square matrix A and B, determinant of A into B is determinant of A into determinant of B. This also we know. Now we also know determinant of P inverse is same as 1 by determinant of P. बराबर, A inverse का determinant is 1 by A का determinant, right? And we also know what is the determinant of adjoint of any matrix. This is determinant of that matrix raised to n minus 1. n minus 1 मतलब n is the order of the matrix. So this is order क्या है 3 cross 3, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, this is 2, right? So what is this? This is indirectly determinant of P. तो हमको सिर्फ determinant of P का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, करेक्ट? इसकी वैल्यू के लिए for this value you have to just find determinant of P. This is effectively determinant of P. अब उसके लिए कंडीशन ये गिवन है, ठीक है? And all we also know the properties of if you have adjoint of any matrix, इसका डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल टू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ पी रेज टू n माइनस 1 स्क्वायर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अगर दो एडजॉइंट है तो दिस इज डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ पी रेज टू n माइनस 1 स्क्वायर. n क्या है, ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. अगर यहाँ पे 3 है, दिस इज एडजॉइंट ऑफ पी. ये आपने प्रॉपर्टीज में किया होगा. दिस इज डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ पी रेज टू n माइनस 1 रेज टू, जैसे जैसे आप यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ एडजॉइंट बढ़ाते जाओगे you will get this n minus 1 p. ठीक है, so you can see for this question we have 3 adjoint, that is adjoint of p. What is this value? This is equal to determinant of p raised to n is the order of the matrix. So what is the order of matrix? 3. So this is 2 cube. This is equal to what? This is given as 12 raised to, I hope this is clear, correct? You can check this value, right? ये जो वैल्यू है दिस इज डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ p रेज टू n इज 3, तो 3 माइनस 1 दैट इज 2 रेज टू 3. नाउ इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं इस इक्वेशन को. यहाँ से यू कैन सी व्हाट डज दिस इंप्लाई. दिस इज डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ p इज इक्वल टू 12 रेज टू, ये क्या है 8, 4 by 8, दिस इज 1 by 2. व्हाट इज दिस, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 12 दैट इज 2 रूट. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर, दिस इज 2 रूट. So what is this value? 2 root 3. That is option A is the answer for this one. Okay. Again, a very standard property of matrices which you know, right? So I hope this is clear. You can easily solve this question in exam also. This is very easy question, right? Thank you. Bye bye.